Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Toyota RAV4 remote. First, let's get organized. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure your work area is clean and well lit, as this helps with the small components. Always check your RAV4 owner's manual for any specific details related to your model, as instructions can vary slightly. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side where the physical key might be. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a careful twisting motion, you can begin to pry apart the two halves of the remote control. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing or the internal components. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. While you're ensuring your car remote is working perfectly, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and smart home features. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Snap the two halves of the remote back together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.